All right, how do we make the U-bend in 2.2.5? Let's see what we got here. Probably want to work on the front. And it draws it sideways, so I will draw it sideways, which I think is a little weird, but that's fine. So looks like it comes over 2.31 here. $2.31. And I'm gonna go up 1.95. Oh, I have to click it first. That was dumb. And then over 2.06 minus 0.25. I'm going to do this little, I did it again. I'm going to do this 06 minus 0.25. I'm going to do that little extra piece on its own. Let's escape line. Let's put a circle in here, get our midpoint. There it is. Let's trim away the excess. And let's finish that. Take a look at it. All right, I got to put a cylinder on this. So we're going to put a sketch on that. All right, this is a .27. Offset it. It's 0.05. I don't think I would have done it this way. Let's dimension this, see what we get. Yep, 0.37. I'm going to draw it. All right, let's finish. And yep, there we go. Now, hard part, we want to sweep this thing. We want to sweep this inner gap. Let's try again. I don't think I want to, no, not yet. I want you and you. Now I'll hit sweep, see if that works. If not, I'll just carve it out later. All right, sweep path. It looks like it worked. So see, it's a cone, pardon me, a cylinder. And this is a hollow cylinder. It should be filled. That's not good. I think I'll try it again. Let's see what we got here. Delete. Let's try just straight up sweep. Click in here. What's it going to do when I hit the sweep button? I must have missed it. I don't know what just happened. Let's undo it. Sweep. Sweep path. This time it's making a solid piece. That's so weird. Sure, whatever. You and you. Check. Cool. All right, let's see what's going on here. I got a thread down here. Let's offset this path. Offset. Okay. Offset plane. Wrong way. And 0.5. Check. Let's make a sketch here. All right, let's try extruding that. Slap our helix on it. Now it's a 3/8-16. I believe that means 16 threads, but the fact is we'd have to learn about threads. So let's go with pitch. And 16 means there's 16 of them in there. So we go 1 divided by 16. Yeah, that'll do it. Finish. We can actually hide the cylinder if it'll let me grab it. No, I guess I don't need to hide it. All right, let's go down here. Let's do a sketch on this one. Okay, sketch. Let's see now. Equal. .025. Pierce. Sweep. Remove. Sweep path. Check. How did it go? I don't like it at all. Oh, what happened? Let's delete that. I don't know what it's doing. That's very weird. One more time, get rid of that. Delete. Let's see if that works. Remove. Fig path. All right, so I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what. Can't. It's doing some sort of cut, but not much. Yeah, there it is. It's cutting it. I think I need to hide something. Just hide surface one. There it is. Cool. Wow, that was harder than it looked. Well, I threaded it. I have no idea if that's the right thread or anything, but it'll have to do. All right, so that's done. And now on the other end, I got to do a little lofty thing here. So let's do a sketch here. Looks like it keeps the same thickness. Oh, wait, it doesn't say. It's never remotely telling me what's going on. Let's give it a shot. All right, so build a circle on top of the existing one. Not getting a snap. I'm gonna do the negative 0.5. Oh, I gotta click. Then I can go negative 0.5, I think. That's not right. Let's undo that. And let's just slap a circle in there. And that one is supposed to be 0.27. Right. Oh, I'm supposed to go up with this instead of down. No, I subtracted it. Let's extrude. Point 0.25. And I want to draft it. It does not say. It's frankly quite disappointing. Let's try a 30-degree draft. And I think we need to go the other way. Too much, won't take it. Still way too much. It's coming down a little bit. I think we do better. I don't like the way it's doing it. Let's take a look. I'm probably gonna undo this. Yeah, it kept the inside the same. So let's try this then. First off, delete it. Second off, go back to sketch 5, and I don't want the inner circle. All right, and let's do a solid extrusion. Depth 0.25. Draft 5 degrees. Other way. Should be a solid blank if I do it right. Let's go with 10 degrees. Let's see what it looks like. Sure. That's easy to remember. So now it's solid. We got to go back in there. So let's go to here again and do a sketch. And let's do a circle. Got it at center. And we make that 0.27. Extrude. Remove. So now let me grab it. Let's exit out of that. Let's delete this. And let's do this. Build a circle. There. And then copy it. Won't let me. Let's make a circle here, 0.282. 0.282 minus 0.05. In other words, keep it about the same thickness. And then we'll extrude a cut from there. Move 0.25. Draft 10 degrees. Is it drafting properly? I don't think it is. Hard to tell. What the heck? Let's see what happens. Definitely not what I was looking for. This bothers me because it doesn't quite clean up the inside. Oh, yes, it does. No. You can see it right there. That's the inner cone. And what the heck? Let's give this a shot. Loft from here to here. Check. Nothing. Well, I got one more trick to play. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Good. Let's delete this. The shell was right here. Shell, U, 0.1. That's about right. Didn't actually shell. Doesn't want to shell, huh? Nope. Yeah, let's delete U. There we go. All right, so, all right. Good, just built that right on top of the old one. So now I have a ring and a ring. And now let's do sketch. Let's just go with the outers at the same as the inner. I mean, we don't really have much else to work with. Now let's use the, yeah, bring you in here. And I usually have to put one on top of it, even though I just brought it in. That's 0.27. Give me a hard time. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. 0.17. All right, let's try and loft between these two. Loft from here. It's giving me a hard time. I did this to one of my students. Loft from here. Nope, won't do the internal one. Nope. Nope. Running out of ideas. Once I shell, I will consume those sketches. So I can't do that. I don't know why the original didn't want to work. No, they're in the wrong spot anyway. And then just draft it. So weird. Yeah, whatever. Have to do. And I gotta go back and delete you because I never used you. That's it. Let's go with, turn off all these planes. Threaded one end. Hollowed everything else out. Put a little draft on the other end. Dimension it, throw it on a piece of paper. Good luck.